So first, I'm going to measure out my testosterone. My dose for right now is 0.4 milliliters every week. The strength of my testosterone is 200 milligrams per milliliter. So first I measure out the dose, I put it in the vial upside down. I do not need to sterilize this bottle because it's a new one, so I do not need to sterilize the tip. And then I pushed all the air in and draw it back. Flicking out as much air bubbles as I possibly can. And then now I'm going to switch the needle. So this week I am injecting into my left thigh because last week I did my right, so I'm going to take my right hand on my left knee, put my other hand, my left hand underneath that, and then the section of my palm right here is where I can inject. So now I'm just looking to see visible blood vessels because you do not want to inject in those areas. Obviously you do not want to inject this into blood, you want to inject into the muscle. So once I find a spot, I just remember it. And I do not need to sterilize my thigh because I just took a shower, so I am clean. I do the pinch method for injecting. I'm just gonna This may seem like forever, but testosterone is thicker than water, so that's why. Just be patient and try not to shake that much. And slowly take the needle out. One pinch. And then of course, put a band-aid on it, even if it's not bleeding, just in case it does. And then just take off the needle and dispose safely. And that's basically it.